Hey guys, it's me, Alyssa G. Today I'm gonna be making orange chicken, okay? And I'm gonna go to the store and I'm gonna get some ingredients that I need, and then I'm gonna start cooking or whatever. Did I tell y'all I'm making orange chicken? Okay, well if I didn't make an orange chicken, I'll just go ahead and put a screenshot of the recipe that I'm using right here. Okay, what's up guys? It's me, Alyssa G. And so it's like 5 hours since the last time you saw me. Hey guys! As you can see, we're in a different environment. I'm gonna be cooking orange chicken. If you guys didn't know, I'm actually of Asian descent. I don't know if you guys could tell, but so yeah, I'm just gonna get out all of my ingredients. Is this good for y'all? Oh wait. Literally my freaking ingredients and stuff is on my phone. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna go like write the recipe on like a piece of paper or something, and I'm gonna go to the bathroom and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. I think I've tried to do orange chicken like a few times, to be honest, but it never like turned out good. So I'm kind of scared. So I got some rice, white rice, and I also got some Velveeta. It's not really Asian food, obviously, but I was just in the store and I was kind of hungry. I'm not gonna hold y'all, but I think I need 2. No, got it. There we go. I had some, this was supposed to be regular sparkling water, but at the dollar store, I could not find none. But I was also supposed to put orange extract in it, as from one you've seen at the freaking recipe or whatever. And I could not find that either, but I did find this blood orange sparkling water. So it's like killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Do you get it? Bella, want to say hi to the camera? Say hi. What? What's up? What's up? Bitch. Anyways, yeah. I hope this kind of works out good. I'm gonna try it just to see what it tastes like. It's okay. This is what it looks like. Kind of pretty, kind of not. I think it looks okay. What the fuck? I think it looks okay. Not really. I ain't even brought out the freaking actual chicken. God, what's up? So now I'm gonna freaking cut the chicken. What's up? I heard you was doing all that talking, so I'm just a little okay, I'm gonna cut myself. Alright, this is 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breast. And I'm just gonna cut all of the fat off of it and stuff. This stuff. Ew, why is this so? Oh, this is moist. Okay. Mistakes. I was wondering, maybe can I have back my baby? If I did something special, would that make me look crazy? What's another song? So if you got them racks, pussy. Okay. I wish there was one of y'all scary assholes in my house. My chicken. Ew, I don't want to touch it again. But yeah, that's my beautiful chicken right now. Hello. I'm gonna fry these. I'm already gonna. Am I hearing stuff? Come on. I'm just gonna go chill for a second while that is heating up because I want to do the sauce like last. If there is anybody in my house, y'all better come the fuck out. Come on now. I don't got time. You might as well just kill me.
I don't mind spending time with my baby. Who thought a toy gonna make the world go crazy? But it's crazy. I'm 18 and I'm gravy. Got money stacked to the ceiling, still screaming, fuck you, nigga, pay me. This beef shit is like rabies. Hoes foaming out the mouth lately. They should show their gratitude, cause a young bitch done made it.
What's all that talking then? What's all that talking? What's up? What's up? What's up? Get off me! Get off me! Let go of my hair! Let go of my hair! What's up? Whew. Whew. Well, goddamn, y'all gonna have to. Whew. Yeah, scary little bitch. Well, girl, you gonna have to calm down. Yeah, jump on me like that again and see what happens. So you think the oil is ready? I just beat my dog's ass. Ain't that right? Yeah. For those of y'all who say she won, she did not. She literally was pulling my hair. She pulled my hair. She didn't even win. She did. So it has brought to my attention that my grandpa brought home McDonald's. Can you shut up? Yeah, my grandpa brought home McDonald's, so now I'm okay. So I'm back. I fried the chicken. Oh, can you move? Okay, let me show y'all this. Okay, so here's the chicken, and here is the sauce or whatever, and it's very liquidy. I don't know if it's gonna get better. Kind of doesn't smell too hot. I'm kind of scared. So, yeah, it does not smell right. I think I fucked up. I think it's supposed to be thicker. Should I add like cornstarch in there? Because maybe that'll make it thicker. That's what cornstarch does, right? Okay, so I'm about to just throw this stuff, or throw this sauce out because it's clearly not working. And I'm probably just gonna put barbecue all over them and call them freaking boneless wings or something because Hey guys, I'm back and I got my food and I've already tried the chicken, but I'm just yeah, it just tastes like regular wings. They're actually pretty good though. So, like, comment, subscribe, suck a dick,